Hello guys, welcome to Super Active Day channel. Today I'm going to teach you some dance step. Okay, so today me and my little student, cute girl, will teach you. Okay.
In today's session, we are going to learn some simple and fun steps, specially designed for beginners. This routine will help you build confidence, coordination, and rhythm. So get ready, stay energized, and let's start dancing together step by step. Now let's do it all together. Follow us and stay in the rhythm.
Okay, before I'll teach you step, let's do some warm up. Okay, let's start warm up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Chalo. Running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hand on the waist. Yes, hand on the waist. And right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now rotate your waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side change. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now touch your feet. Then up. 1. Good. Touch your feet. Then up. 2. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now legs, fold your leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now simple, quick running. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now our dance step time. Okay, our first step is, if you are right-handed, follow me. If you are left-handed, follow her. Okay guys, ready? Step kare. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, go. Ready? 1, 2. Then 3, 4. Okay. One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. First is 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Then second, move back, rotate your shoulder, then back. Okay. Then come front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Again, same step. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next step.
2, 3,
4. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, again. Ready? Same. Okay, same step. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Now next step. Okay, next step. Next step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ready? Okay. Hand, leg. 1, 2. Now hand 3, 4 and move out. 3 and 4. Again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hand change. 5, 6. Then next 7, 8. Perfect. Again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now kick and turn. Again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now kick and turn. Hand ऐसे. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. And next step. Good. Okay, ready? Now hand like this. Okay. Last step, from last step. 1, 2, 3, go. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg out, hand up. 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Okay, again same step. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next come front. Okay. Ready? Next. 1 and 2. Again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Next step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, basically what you have to do is rotate your shoulder, tap your leg, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, go. Like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cool. Next. Okay, then simply wave 1, 2, and style. Just click and rotate again. Simple and easy. Ready? Again from this step. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then after that, next step. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, ready? Simple, snap your fingers and tap leg 2 times. 1, 2. Snap 2 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. Now hand, leg same. 3, 4. Now come front, roll your hands, front, then back. Okay, same step, repeat. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Next step, same repeat. Okay, now we'll repeat same step. Ready? Last, first steps. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we'll do all the steps together. Okay, from first to last step. Ready? Okay.
Yes,
ready? Guys, are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. Come on. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front and 1, 2. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now next 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Now next step. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Our dance step tutorial is end. If you want to see the song and the steps, watch our short videos and Instagram account. Follow us there. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take care. Be kind to everyone. Be happy. Bye. See you. Okay, guys.